going to be doing a video about our whole entire room. Sweet little baby. Oh, my baby. This is our room. This is my sister in her bed. This is a pile of stuffed animals if you want to see it. This is another pile of stuffed animals. You can also see a little foot there. A blanket. A closet. And if you want to see, I'm going to hit you up there. Hit you down there. Hit you down there. Alright. And then, this is her face. She's making a mad face right now. This is my bed. Sorry, it's getting made. This is my smallest lover. This is a vanity. This is a baby. It's a baby doll made of plastic. Move. This is a picture. This is a light switch. This is the wall. And this is a unicorn horn. This is a toilet. Yeah, I know. This is our dresser. This is a box. This is something that says Lily. This is a Mino Kana. Because I don't even know what it's called. So I'll call it a Mino Kana. And this is me. And if you want to see my foot, here you go. This is my foot. You can see it going by really fast. And then I'm the cutest thing. Bye, everybody. I'm glad you seen me today.